In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove PayPal from your Shopify checkout. If you're looking to streamline the payment process for your customers or simply want to offer different payment options, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's get started by heading over to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to your store's homepage. This is the command center for your Shopify account, and it's where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your store preferences. Next, direct your attention to the lower left corner of your screen and click on the Settings option. This will open up a new menu with a variety of options that you can customize to suit your store's needs. Now let's focus on the Payment section. Find and click on it. This is where you'll manage all of the payment gateways that are available at your store's checkout. To make any changes to your payment settings, you might notice the option to complete your account setup. Click on this if it appears, as it ensures that all your payment gateways, including PayPal, are up to date and ready to be modified. Once you're in the Payments section, you'll see a list of all available payment options. Locate and click on PayPal. Shopify typically sets up PayPal as a default payment option, making it a common choice among merchants and customers alike. However, if you need an alternative setup best suited for your business needs, you might want to remove it from your checkout process. After clicking on PayPal, turn your attention to the General section. It's useful to understand that within your payment settings, this area provides an overview of what's currently in place. However, our primary concern right now is to find and click on the Billing section. Once inside Billing, you want to locate Current Billing Cycle. Click on it to continue. This area provides details about ongoing transactions and payment terms related to the gateway you have chosen. By understanding this section, you ensure that any changes you make are in line with your store's financial standards and goals. Though removing a payment gateway may seem daunting, following these steps can help maintain the integrity of your financial infrastructure. It also ensures that, should you decide to re-enable PayPal, you will have all the details ready for reintegration. Remember to save any changes you make and keep your customers notified of any changes in payment options. That's it. You've successfully understood how to remove PayPal from your Shopify checkout process. Remember, making changes to your store's payment options can greatly affect customer experience, so choose wisely and consider what will best serve your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful e-commerce tips.